Hello loves, welcome to Uniek Makes by Christina. I did it again. I got another Temu haul of goodies, and I also am a part of the affiliate program, so I will have a code for new Temu users and new or people who reinstated the Temu app. I also have a $100 bundle that you can use, and if you want to become part of their affiliate program, I also have that link below in the description, plus all the product links, if it's available, will be below also. So let's go ahead and check out the goodies I bought. Okay, the first thing I want to share is this acrylics. Temu has been up their game on acrylics, so I've been hauling more acrylics lately. Let's look at this. And I do like how it comes in this container. You can always reuse this for swaps or to organize little stuff or just keep your acrylics in. But the first set of acrylics I want to share with you are these snowmen. How cute are these? And the quality of these acrylics are actually real good. They do already have a hole, and you can see the thickness of this. Yeah, how cute are that? And you do get 10 of them. So I got those ones. Okay, next thing I want to share, the package is already open on the side. What are these candy beads? Look at this, and you get I believe this is a bag of 50. Look at that. And the hole is, where's the hole? I just saw it right there. So let me see if it fits a poke tool. Yeah, so it does fit the pokey tool, and this is 2mm, so that's actually pretty good right there. So it does fit that. But look at that. So you get a lot of these. So you get a total of 50. And they're actually also a really good size. Look at that. Real nice. Love that. Love, love, love. Another thing I hauled are these silicone bowls, and this one comes in a pack of 2. I think these were random colors, but look at those. Look how cute those are. Real, real cute. So you do get 2 of them, the blue and the yellow. I did haul another acrylic set, and this one is the Santa, and you do get 10 of them also. Look how nice is that. This one is bigger. This one's Santa Claus coming to town, and this also has a hole. You can see the thickness on that. Look at that. Those are real good. I really like those. Another thing I hauled, I did haul some Velcro so that I could use for closures. Don't remember how many you get. I think it was 100, I want to say. Yeah, this is just Velcro. Like that. I got that so I could, when I do little albums and whatnot. That one. I also bought another a clay cutter. And this is a poison apple. Look at this. So here goes. This will cut the apple, and this is will cut the goo of the apple. And then when you put the clay together, you'll have like the poison apple. So I got that one. I also bought another set of acrylics, and this is a Santa. I think this when I saw this one, I like, yeah, look how cute. Look at the Santa. Real nice, I love it. Even got some shades, look at that. And this is another, it does have a hole, so it's another pendant. You can see the thickness. But these are acrylics, I really like these acrylics. That's real nice, I love those. Next thing I hauled is this tool organizer. It's well, I got it for my blending brushes. Actually, wow, this is actually really nice and heavy. So of course I got it in pink. But look at that. So it's silicone. There's a silicone here, and you can stick your blending brushes and whatnot in there. Wow, this. Now, for the price of this is great. This one, it's a must-have. This is nice. Love it. I do have some more of the candy. I think this is actually 100 pieces, I want to say, because that's a lot. I'll put in a video how much those were, but I think those were 100. So now, the next thing I want to share are these little Santa flatbacks. They were open off the package. But look how cute those are. I like the little glass. And like I said, they are flat back. You can also put an ice screw and make it into a charm if you wanted to. But how cute are these? Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. Love. I love Halloween. But the next holiday is Christmas. Another thing I want to share are these sprinkles. Now I bought this for my decadent stuff. And all this is regular little sprinkles. Like that. And I want to say this is 40 grams, I think. I'll put in a video to tell you how much that is. Look at that. So I also got that one. Now I saw this one. Now this is a silicone mold. I'll put the picture in the video, but these are masquerade masks, and they come in 3 different ones. I thought this would be real nice to make. So this one I want to play with, and I think this one I would do with resin because it is a pretty thick mold. Yeah, so I gotta check this one out. Maybe we'll do a video together on that one. Hey, I did haul another acrylic. That is the Christmas trees. Love, love, love the colors. Look at that. Pastel. Love it. You get 6? Yeah. This one comes with 6. And it does have the hole on it already. And you can see the thickness. I do love, love. And then, oh, look at these cuties. These are also acrylic. Look at the cute girls. I forgot their name. They're part of Pop Mart. And the name of her, or a past time, I can't remember. I'll put in the video. I know it's not Molly. I don't think it's Molly. I'll look it up in the video. I'll put it in the video. But look at these. So you got this one here. Cute. And these are all acrylics, and they do they don't have a hole, so you have to drill a little hole in it if you wanted to. Look at that one. This one. cute. Look at that. Cute, cute, cute. And that one. And then this one here, which I like, broke. And that's that one. Real cute. Love, love, love. But other than that broken one, but I do love it. Yeah, I can't remember her name. I know she always has a bubble gum in her mouth. But yeah, I'll put the name in the video. So the next thing I did buy are some dies. Okay, so I did buy some dies here. Okay, so I got some dies. This is the only one that did not have a coordinating die. But let me go ahead and show you. This one is of Halloween. That's the right way. Here we go. An Halloween version of that. I gotta see if I thought she had a die, but not sure. But anyways, look at that. How awesome are these girls? Love it. This one you get the 4 girls. I got that one. Now the next one that I bought, these remind me of the one that my crafty sis has on here, Gina. Gina, when I saw these, I had to get them because I've seen your hauls that have a lot of cute characters, and even the D-stash that I bought from you had some cute ones. But look at that. Look at that cutie. And she does come with the coordinating die. So that's awesome. So this is the first one. That's a little cute girl. But I was inspired this one with because of Gina. She always has some of the cutest stamps, character stamps. So I found that one. And then I also found this one. Look at that. How cutie patootie is he? Look at that. And he does come with another coordinating die, which is awesome. Awesomeness. Love them. Love, love, love. Now, I'm not sure if there's a company that makes these, and if it's like taken from another company. I'm not sure. I have not seen these. But if you have, please let me know so I could get some of the original ones, because I really, really, really like these. And I know the originals will be better quality. Look at that. Look at that cuteness. I got that one. And this one also came out with a die. Love, love, love. So I got that one. Let me show you this one first. And then this one here are boys. I don't have a lot of boys, so I want to get some boys from my stash. Look at that. How cute are these? So you get 4 boys, and this one's also come with the coordinating die. How awesome is that? So I got this one. Love that. Love. Okay, here's this one. This one's the Halloween border. Right now they are having sales, so I got this for next year. But how cool are those? I really like the candy and the ghost one. And this one also comes with the coordinating die to cut them out. Love, love, love. Okay, this is my little haul I want to share with you. And like I said, if any of the stamps that you know came from a different business, please let me know in the comments below, so I could actually get the original, because I know these are not, they're okay quality, but they're not like some of the, yeah, because see how flimsy they are? So I would love to get the originals if they do sell originals. But yeah, leave a comment below if you know any of the companies they're from. The best thing I had was this organizer, which I love, love, love. I'll have everything linked below. Make sure you give me a 2 thumbs up, or should I say, give me a thumbs up on the video. Hit if you're not a subscriber, please do so. I love to have you. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And then with that, you have a blessed day. Bye bye.